Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm going to show you a tip for getting even more enjoyment out of your Sunfinity plant. Sunfinity makes a great cut flower. So with all the endless blooms all season long, there's lots that you can harvest and bring inside and put into and make your own floral arrangement. And leave plenty for the birds and bees. So what you're going to do, it's really simple. We're just going to pick a stem, a nice long stem, get our nice sharp clippers, and you can do this with your plants that are in containers or in the ground in the garden, doesn't matter. Just find a nice stem, give it a clip, maybe take off some of the leaves, because you want to make sure that there's not any leaves in the water in your vase. That helps the flowers last longer. And then you can just make a bouquet and mix it with other things in your garden too. For more tips on how to care for your Sunfinity plant, visit mysunfinity.com.